How do I concatenate text files in Python? I have a list of 20 file names, like file1.txt, file2.txt, ... I want to write a Python script to concatenate these files into a new file. I could open each file by f equals open ... read line by calling f.readline, and write each line into that new file. It doesn't seem very elegant to me, especially the part where I have to read /write line by line. Is there a more elegant way to do this in Python?
This should do it. For large files. For small files. And another interesting one that I thought of. Sadly, this last method leaves a few open file descriptors, which the GC should take care of anyway. I just thought it was interesting.
Use shuttle.copy fileio. It automatically reads the input files chunk by chunk for you, which is more efficient in reading the input files and will work even if some of the input files are too large to fit into memory.
That's exactly what file input is for. For this use case, it's really not much simpler than just iterating over the files manually, but in other cases, having a single iterator that iterates over all of the files as if they were a single file is very handy. Also, the fact that file input closes each file as soon as it's done means there's no need to with or close each one, but that's just a one-line savings, not that big of a deal. There are some other nifty features in file input, like the ability to do in-place modifications of files just by filtering each line. As noted in the comments, and discussed in another post, file input for Python 2.7 will not work as indicated. Here a slight modification to make the code Python 2.7 compliant.
A simple benchmark shows that the shuttle performs better.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.